Drawer clips can be mounted down or forward in these two holes, depending on the thickness of the bottom. You need to make a notch that's about 1 3/4 inches wide, so the slide passes through it. The slot does not have to be tight. You'll need to put a hole back here that doesn't go all the way through. That's the challenging part. And the best way to find that hole, put it on the slides, push it in, make sure it's lined up. It'll leave dents in the back. Those dents, that's where you're going to want to put 1/4 inch holes. For putting the slides in, you mount them a little bit back from the front edge, no more than 1/8 inch. That's pretty much everything.
Okay.
Oh, did you stop?
No.
Great. Your deduction is